This is the Loupedeck Plus, and we're going to talk to the people who developed it. Photokina 2018 coverage is brought to you by Manfrotto. Imagine more.
We are here at Photokina 2018 in the Loupedeck booth, and we're talking to Andrew. Hello, Andrew.
Hello, good to meet you.
And we're looking at the, basically this is the Loupedeck Plus, right?
It is. We launched Loupedeck Plus back in June. This is our new improved version of the original Loupedeck, which was launched last year.
And what can you tell us about this new device?
Right, so Loupedeck is basically an edit console to work with photo, but now to work with video as well. So we started originally with Lightroom, so all the standard controls for Lightroom are now controlled by a series of buttons and a series of knobs. So it's a lot more ergonomic, it's a lot quicker to use than trying to control the software using your mouse and your keyboard. But this now also works with Aurora HDR. We also have beta integration with Capture One. And then last week we launched our first video integration, so this will now work with Adobe Premiere as well.
And I think one question that a lot of people that saw this in the first place asked us at least was, what about Photoshop, which is another application that a lot of people use?
So Photoshop is obviously completely different in terms of its control layout to things such as Lightroom, but I can exclusively reveal we are working on a Photoshop integration which should be available soon.
I'm guessing that mostly camera raw inside Photoshop?
Haven't got full details yet, but you will see it soon. Okay. So, and that's not the only integration that will be coming out between now and the end of the year.
Oh, so you have more surprises in the wings.
We have more surprises in the wings.
Okay, so how much does this cost?
So Loupedeck costs €229, that's including tax, and then we're doing a 10% off offer for people who visit Photokina.
Okay, thank you very much, Andrew.
Thank you.